If you previously made your TikTok account private and now want to switch it back to public, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to unprivate your TikTok account. Let's get started. First things first, open your TikTok app on your device. Then, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. Once you're here, tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Now, select Setting and Privacy option. Under Settings and Privacy, select and tap on the Privacy option. Then, you'll see the Private Account option. To unprivate your TikTok account and make it public, simply toggle this option off. And that's it. You've now successfully made your TikTok account public again, and it's now public for all to see and interact with. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Protect Tutor for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.